Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add custom domain to Blogger. We can buy a custom domain from domain providers. This is my blog address, and I am going to add custom domain for this blogger. Before I add a domain for this blogger, or your blogger, you should buy a domain from any of domain providers. I got this domain from 123reg. You can buy a domain from anyone. After buying a domain, other steps are same. Then don't worry. You can add your custom domain to Blogger following the steps. This is the domain. I have already purchased it. After buy a domain, you can see Manage option. Click it. Then find DNS Manage. Jump back to Blogger. Click the Set up a third-party URL for your blog. Type your domain here, with www. Then click the save. Then you will see like this page. We should add this setting to domain. We have purchased. This is the CNames. We should add this to our domain. Copy this name as name and paste it to CName profile. Just follow me. One of step complete now. Click here setting instructions. Then you will see like this page. We should add this IP address to our domain. Copy the IP address and choose type A.
I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blue.
Jump back to Blogger page and refresh the page.
Don't hesitate, call me back, 'cause I won't be there.
Type your domain again.
I won't be trust when you're gone.
Then click the save. To activate domain, it takes couple of minutes. Everything is okay now. Is it work? Or not, please comment me below. Subscribe me to watch more video tutorials. Thank you. See you again.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate.